Problem number 6. Come to problem number 6. Page number 9.16. Forgot actually about the AC. Open that box and switch on those two.
दोनों भी ये
From the following income and expenditure account in the balance sheet of a club, prepare its receipts and payments account and subscription account for the year ended 31st March 2013. So you are required to prepare only receipts and payments account and also subscription account for the year ended 31st March 2013. A very easy problem. Okay, let's do. Let us prepare receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account 2013. Subscription account 2013. This is what is required by the problem. Let us start reading the income and expenditure account, balance sheet and the additional information given to you. Upkeep of ground 10,000. I think we'll start with always the receipt side and we are given the balance sheet also. Let us go through the problem first and we can start solving the problem. Income and expenditure account for 2012-13. By subscription income is given. Sale of old newspapers income is given. Lectures, entrance fee, miscellaneous income, deficit. Upkeep of ground, expenditure, printing, salaries, depreciation on furniture, rent, expenditure is given to you. Balance sheet, furniture, ground and building, price fund, investment, cash in hand, subscription for 12-13. Receivable, 700 is given to you. Subscription in advance, 13-14, that is for next year, 100 is given to you. Price fund, opening balance, add interest 1000, less prices declared, net amount is given to you. General fund, opening balance, less deficit, add entrance fees, 54,900 net balance is given to you. The following adjustments have been made in the above accounts. Upkeep of ground 600 and printing 240 relating to 11-12 were paid in 12-13. So upkeep of ground 600 and printing expenses 240 relating to 11-12 were paid in 2012-13. There were some opening outstanding. One half of the entrance fee has been capitalized by transfer to the general fund. So out of the entrance fees received during the year, half of is being capitalized to general fund and half has been recognized as an income. Subscription outstanding in 11-12 was 800. So that means there was some subscription receivable at the beginning of the year. And for 2012-13, 700. So there is given closing subscription receivable also. Subscription received in advance 11-12, opening advance 200. 2012-13 for 13-14 is 100. So closing received in advance is also given to you. So you are given a lot of information. So let us now start building up the receipts and payments account and subscription account. Receipts and payments account we want to start. We need opening cash and bank balance. We are not given the opening cash and bank balance. So question mark. To balance brought down. Question mark. As our habit goes, we'll always start with incomes, receipts. By by subscription 17,320 shown as income, but you are given lot of receivable at the beginning, receivable at the end, received in advance at the beginning, received in advance at the end. So let us show all that information in the subscription account. So how much was shown as income in the income and expenditure account? 17,000. Now tell me, if income and expenditure account is credited, subscription account would have been debited. So write here to income and expenditure account 17,320 income recognized. If income and expenditure account is credited, subscription account would have been debited. Now read the last 2 points, point number 3 and 4. Subscription receivable in level 2 was 800. Opening receivable is shown on the debit side. To opening receivable, how much?
800.
800. Closing receivable. Please make up. By closing receivable given in the problem 700.
पानी डालो सर.
I am also maintaining the same silence which you are maintaining. What should I write now? Received in advance. Opening received in advance. How much? 200. Very good. Closing received in advance.
100.
By cash.
17,320.
Same. Yes, balancing figure. 17,320 rupees. Where should I write? Debit side, receipt side?
Yes, sir.
Next, sale of old newspapers 260. Are you given any additional information relating to sale of old newspapers? Nothing. So entire amount is collected during the year. Where is Shravan today?
Absent, sir.
Went to watch the match yesterday. When is the Hyderabad match? 9. Old newspapers 260. Sale of old newspapers 260 shown as receipt. Now lectures 1500 rupees. Income. Tell me, is there any outstanding receivable etc. relating to lectures? No. So it is completely received. 2 lectures. 1500. Next, entrance fee 1300. Some additional information was given to you. You are showing entrance fee 1300, and then again in the general fund you are saying add entrance fee 1300. So entrance fee has been credited in 2 places. Income and expenditure account credited 1300, and then general fund also credited 1300 entrance fee. Added to general fund means credited to general fund. No. General fund is nothing but capital fund. It shows credit balance. If it has been added, that means it has been increased balance. So entrance fee credited twice, income and expenditure account, and also credited in general fund. Is it clear? And what the problem says, 1/2 of entrance fee has been capitalized by transfer to general fund. So how much entrance fee was collected during the year? Listen to me carefully. Entrance fee collected, cash account debtor to entrance fee account. Let us assume we don't know it. Entrance fee by cash, question mark. We don't know how much was collected. How much was credited to income and expenditure account? 1300. If income and expenditure account is credited, this account is debited.
To I&D 1300.
General fund added means credited to general fund. Credited to general fund, debited to entrance fees. So how much is collected?
2,600.
Very good. Finally you have woken up. To entrance fees 2,600. Then by misc income 400. Miscellaneous income 400. Are you given any adjustment relating to miscellaneous income? Nothing. So we'll assume it is collected during the year. To miscellaneous income, how much?
400.
By deficit 2820. We show it in the balance sheet. We are not asked to prepare the balance sheet. Next, upkeep of ground. Come to the expenditure side. Upkeep of ground 10,000. Are you given any information? Yes. Upkeep of ground 600 was outstanding at the beginning of the year. So out of 10,000, now how do you deal with it?
For 2,000.
Expense shown 10,000. Outstanding expense of last year paid 600. So how much you would have? Totally 10,600. Or if you have went out, use working note. Upkeep of ground paid question mark less outstanding at beginning 600 expense recognized 10,000 very good reverse direction 10,600 printing 1,000 expense shown in the P&L account 1,000 and then you are shown expenses of 240 printing for 11-12 was paid in 12-13. So same adjustment 1,000 plus 240. How much will be? 1240. Similar working note you can prepare if you want. Amount paid question mark less outstanding at the beginning 240. Amount shown as expense 1,000. Go reverse 1,000 plus 240 1240. Next, salaries 11,000 expense. See the additional information given to you. Balance sheet also you see. Nothing has been given relating to salaries, so we'll assume whatever is shown as expense is the payment also by salaries. How much? Next, depreciation on furniture. Please never show it as an payment. Rent 600. But see, depreciation relates to furniture, no? Are you given any opening furniture balance? Nothing has been given, so it is difficult to find out whether there was any addition or deletion of furniture. At least they should have given us opening balance of furniture. Not given. Okay. Rent 600. Shown as a payment. Rent 600 shown as a payment. Expenditure is 600. No adjustment relating to outstanding, prepaid, receivable, advance, and anything extra. So you assume it is a payment by rent. 600. Now see the balance sheet also. Please see the balance sheet. Please see the balance sheet also. Furniture, we don't find any cash information from there. Ground and building, we'll assume it was there at the beginning of the year also. Hence no additions or deletions. Price fund investment, we'll assume it was there at the beginning of the year. Cash in hand, opening balance, not opening balance, it's closing balance. Write down here, don't write, leave some space here and then write carry down, 2,300. Subscription 2012-13, that is closing receivable, 700, you have already shown it. Subscription in advance, 13-14, come to the liability side now. Come to the liability side, subscription received in advance, 13-14, 100, that we have already shown. Price fund, opening balance 25,000, add interest 1,000. So we have received some interest during the year. What is it? Right? Bank account data to interest account to interest 1,000. Prices, less prices. See, you would have purchased prices. Prices account data to cash or bank account. Prices was not debited to income and expenditure account, it was debited to the price fund. Hence, so price fund was paid in cash. Price expenses were paid in cash. Did you understand the scheme of entries? Price account, price expenses account data to cash or bank, first entry. Then price expenses was debited to price fund. Instead of debiting it to income and expenditure account. See, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India also follows fund accounting. This is called as fund accounting. So when students pay registration fees, they will credit to separate student fund the amount, and out of that fees, if they are spending some money for providing material or for providing training classes expenditure, all those expenditure will be debited to that fund account only. And suppose you have joined ITT course and you have paid ITT course fees, it will be credited to ITT fund, and out of that whatever they are spending for providing the training, that will be debited to that account only. Net amount will be shown in the balance sheet of the institute. Is it clear? Seminars. Institute is conducting seminars. They will receive fees for seminars. That fees will be credited to seminar fund. Any expenditure for seminar will be debited to that fund. Okay. If there is a shortfall in any fund, it will be brought forward from the surpluses of the general fund. Okay. Okay. Next. So prices have to be shown as an expenditure. Buy prices. How much? Now what you can do is today you can go back home, visit Google and try to find out the annual report of the Hyderabad chapter, or you can find the annual report of the ICAI. You will see how do they do fund accounting. So whenever they are collecting, when the institute is collecting membership fees from the members, how they show it, and they are collecting registration fees from students, how they show it, and how they account for surpluses, how the funds are invested. You can go through the annual report. It's a non-profit organization. You will see what is called as fund accounting. Next topic left in our chapter is nothing but fund accounting. With that we close the chapter. Next. Corrected. I'm going to assume it as corrected. See, if it was not corrected, then you have to pass the entry accrued interest account data to interest. Accrued interest should appear as an asset. What is it appearing? Is it appearing? No. Accrued interest account or to interest. If this is the entry, accrued interest will appear as an asset. Interest income. It is not for our general purposes. It is for price fund investments. Hence it was credited to price fund. Interest was not credited to income and expenditure account. It was credited to a separate fund account. So the credit will be shown in a fund. Accrued interest will be shown as an asset. If it is receivable, but you don't find that it is shown as receivable, that means when the interest was received, we have passed the entry cash or bank account or to interest. Interest account was closed by transferring it to price fund. You have passed second entry, interest account or to price fund account. Price fund is credited. First, you should all know this. If you ask me frankly, you should know fund accounting from CPD only. From a chapter called as sinking fund accounting. Depreciation. Next. General fund, there is a deficit of 2820. Entrance fee 1300. We have already considered all those information. Over. So now let us find the opening cash balance. 4,060. balancing figure.